In this video, I'm going to show you how to find trending Metis Memecoins on Dexscreener. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. And if I logged into the Metis Dexscreener, right, that is the tab. You want to click, if you click on this trendy right now, right, I'll click on the 24 hours. You can see there is really nothing for you to see, right, because there hasn't been any meme coins that has been launched under this chain for the past 24 hours, right? So if you look on here, you can see the last one is, I think, 9 months ago, right? So from this fire streak, you're going to select any duration you want, right? So this is basically how you can find trending Metis meme coins on Dexscreener. If you find it video helpful, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Share thoughts below.